man? We back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, this one we got a 2007 Hyundai Elantra. And got a coolant leak. Gonna replace the hose. There's this hose here. And temp sensor and the thermostat. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do that. Let's get it. So we're gonna go ahead and remove all of this plastic covering, take out the air box, the air filter housing, 10 millimeters here. $10 mil holding it down here. It look like the computer is connected to it. That's weird. One there, 10 mil. Look like that's gonna be it. Alright, I took that one, loosened that up. Mass airflow sensor, disconnected it. Alright, pulled that up. Same thing with this one. It'd be best to disconnect your battery. And you can pull that right on out. Alright, this is what we got. See all this coolant been leaking. Alright, and the problem is that hose that I pointed out. That one right there. It's leaking fluid. The hose is old. Can't hold that pressure no more. Alright, so we gotta get to the thermostat, which is up under here. Got two bolts holding it in. We're gonna hit that. Alright, those are gonna be 12 millimeter bolts. And the thermostat is visible. Make sure you don't lose those washers. Those go on before you put those bolts back on. Alright, that's the old thermostat and gasket. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this ECT sensor. Tab on the bottom of it. Push that in, pull it out. Got that out. Deep socket, 3/4. Alright, next we got the hose. You can see where it's been leaking. All of that. It's dried up coolant. You gotta get these clamps off to get this hose off. Alright, we got that in out. Just use my small channel locks. Do the same thing for this one. Alright, we got it out. You gotta twist it, man. Put them channel locks on it. Twist it free because it's gonna be stuck on there. And this is why it was leaking. Right here. That's that bottom part. It was coming up out of there. Alright, we're going in with the new thermostat. This gasket is reusable. I don't like fail safe, but that's what they got. So I put the gasket over the thermostat. Put the thermostat in first. Engine coolant temperature sensor. Go ahead and put that in. I had to cut the holes to make it work. hose is connected, both sides. Go ahead and hook up the connector for that ECT sensor and put everything back together, man. Reverse order. Alright, we up in there. Whole part. Let's go ahead and start it up. See that? Hyundai 1990 and up. This is a 2007, so it's got to be this particular coolant. Nothing else. Alright, just check for leaks. Make sure nothing is leaking, and we good, man. Hope the video helped out. Until next time, pull up, King.